Good afternoon. Grand Central Hotel?
Yes, sir.
How much now? I want to see rates.
For now, it's 2,000, sir, per night.
2,000 per night.
Yes. The original rate sir, is 2,000, but if you want to long stay, so we give him discount.
Have discount
Yes.
also. Very good. Okay, you give me your information and I want to see room.
This card we will give you later, sir. But right now, so if you want to see the room,
sir?
Yes, I want to take a look room. Okay, thank you.
No elevator, sir.
No problem. For me it's better no elevator exercise.
This is our room.
202.
Yeah, this is the old room. With the balcony.
Это with balcony.
Yeah, same with this one. With balcony also.
Wait, first one room I will check. Refrigerator, TV,
Closet.
safe box, also safe.
Safe, there's a safe.
Safe where? Inside, yeah?
Inside.
Inside, safe. Okay.
And the balcony.
Balcony, how to... You can see champagne bar, banana. It's okay.
This is our second floor.
Second floor. How many floors have?
3.
3 floors. Okay.
Every floor 6 rooms.
6 rooms.
CR.
CR. Okay, good. It's 202. It's 201.
202, 201.
It's 201. Different little bit. Big mirror. Fan.
Ceiling fan. TV. Yes, sir.
Oh, it's good.
Yeah,
See,
better than
take a look. Girls walk. Yeah. This bar. Yeah, it's better. When open? Because maybe one month ago.
Yeah, just only not totally.
Not totally open.
Yeah,
But now not so many people maybe.
we have a guest, regular guest.
Have regular guest. Group of guests.
Yeah, by May 10 we have fully booked.
Oh.
Here's the third floor.
Okay, yes. But room is same price, all the room.
Those from our same price. These are guests.
He already have guest.
These are
They choose another side from the walking street because noisy maybe. Also guest have near.
same the second floor.
Uh-huh.
This is the third floor. And you can sit here.
Yes, here also good. Yeah, also good.
You can see the view.
Good view also, yeah. This hotel, I don't know, it's for sale right now. Also closed already. Also working, but only is for sale. High quality bar. What do you think? Maybe this side maybe so noisy, or not?
What, sir?
Not so noisy this side.
No.
Not. If you close.
You close this one.
Yeah, close. It's okay. Yes, I already know. It's good. Good.
And we have also at the back side. Do
Uh-huh.
you want to see the back side?
Yeah, backside also because my subscriber want to see.
Yeah.
Oh, elevator now not working. Where?
Because the fourth floor are full. We cannot go up, we cannot open the...
No, maybe in the future we fix.
No, there's some guests.
Guest have.
Yeah. We have guests, all the rooms at the fourth floor. So this is our extension rooms. These are the rooms.
No, this room is more silent.
Yeah.
More silent, good.
You have a small balcony. See, smoking area
Ага.
for the guests.
Also good. Small balcony, but this is room more silent.
Yeah. This is our CR.
Ah, CR here.
Closet with safe.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Nice. It's room number 5.
Yep.
Number 5 room.
This one is number 4.
It's okay enough, I think. I already know. This is another way to the lobby.
The ground floor.
Ground floor. Okay.
The room number 5 and room number 2 are the same design.
Same style.
So you see the
What is this? This is maybe already bar inside.
yeah.
This is bar. So this is room is very close from the bar. Open this door and take girl inside.
Now we close that.
I understand. Yes, of course.
Now we close temporary.
But here smell little bit
Yeah.
wet. Maybe long time not use aircon. That's why wet.
Yeah. But this coming 10 is this will be full book.
Full book.
Yeah.
After May of 10.
10 for
All hotel is full booking.
no only me only us.
Ah.
Only Grand Central.
Only Grand Central.
Yeah. That is our regular guest.
This is Sky Falls bar, I know.
Yeah.
Sky Falls bar.
This is
This is also. So we're going to
yeah.
upper. Because lobby from the this way
This way
to lobby.
lobby.
Office.
This way via office.
Office.
Family.
And now.
What's your channel, sir? What's your
It's My Life Philippines.
Available.
It's very good location.
Yeah, thank you.
You take a look. This one. This is my channel. This.
Okay.
It's My Life Philippines. Yes. This one.
I see.
Yes, I will post today or tomorrow video about hotel.
This one, they have a logo here. I saw you.
Yeah, it's me.
This one, I'm your subscriber.
Okay, okay, thank you very much.
You have two subscribers from
Hi, hi.
You have 2 subscribers from Grand Central now.
Thank you. It's for you. For
Thank you,
tea,
sir.
for tea. Okay, thank you. Bye.
Okay, sir.
Bye, bye.
Bye.
Thank you. Grand Central also. Guys, you already know about hotel. Sorry again for my English. Oh, girls, I don't take video. Hi. I will park here today, have space. What is this? Tarana restaurant and KTV. Okay. Okay guys, I will drive car a little bit in the walking street. How much dollar? Dollar today 54.60. 54.60. cafe don't have people.